Dear student, time flies by. Welcome to the last session of the online tutorial with me, Miss Yesi. This week you are going to review and create a mind map of the learning materials from session 1 to session 7 as a summary of the Bahasa Inggris course. If you still have any questions about previous topic, please write them down in discussion forum. Also, do not forget to submit the assignment 3 if you haven't. Good luck on your final exam. Bye-bye.